Today I'm going to show you how to move your paragraph or your heading to the next page without pressing enter continuously. So let's start. So you don't need to start pressing enter continuously like this. Place your cursor at the place or the beginning of the paragraph or sentence you want to move to the next page. Press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard. Then the document moves to the next page. You don't need to start pressing enter continuously. So look at this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.